Hey guys, Mikey here, welcome back to the channel. Long time no see. The last videos which you have seen on the channel were with the Gixxer, with the GSX-R600 from the garage. We've been doing some maintenance, looking forward to the racing season. So we've done some regular maintenance, we've done some upgrades, new battery, installation of some new parts. So if you haven't seen that, just go up there for the cards. You can just click on them and get yourself on the previous videos if you've missed something. And the reason for this video today is a little bit different. I actually mentioned this a couple weeks ago, maybe a month ago, about the video was called channel update, and we were talking about what is waiting for us in the season, what are we looking for and stuff like that, and about some news. And there was also one not really that happy news. It was about my friend KingJulienMoto and what happened to him. If you saw the video, you know what happened. I believe that a lot of subscribers and a lot of you are actually following maybe both of the channels, also King Julien and also me, which I'm really grateful. But I just wanted to tell you a little bit of update and to ask you for a favor. But first of all, for you who don't know, KingJulienMoto is my friend. We know each other, and we knew each other way before we start these motovlogging videos. And he bought himself a Honda CBR650R, which was named Rosie. Yeah, she was named Rosie, and it was his love. And he was keeping his motorcycle in the garage as we usually do for the winter. And he was really looking forward to the riding season, and I was looking forward to that too, because we had a lot of plans. We were about to travel abroad, we were about to do some racing together and stuff like that. Hopefully I'll get him on a racetrack and you will see how it goes. Maybe I'm still thinking about it, but maybe I lend him my bike, but we'll see about this. So we were looking forward to the season, and he was on some vacation somewhere on a trip outside the city, when we got information that the building where he was parking his motorcycle caught fire, and by the end of the night part of the building collapsed. It was really big fire. A lot of people, lost cars, motorcycles, things, stuff, some of them lost businesses and stuff like that. So really tragic and really unfortunate, and I'm really sorry for the people who lost stuff, cars, motorcycles and so on. Anyway, this is still in the investigation, so we kind of know what happened, but we are not really sure. There is not really an official statement, but I don't want to really dig into this. KingJulienMoto for sure will share some updates once he has some. I don't want to kind of like jump into the topic too much, but as you know, we have a lot of videos from the last year, so I'm just going to play some clips as a reminder and as a really good memories. So just skip right to it.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too
So for you who don't really know the CBR650R, Rosie, named Rosie, you just saw how great the relationship were. Like it's like about a love couple, you know. So yeah, he really loved the bike and he lost it in the fire, and he lost a lot of stuff as well. It wasn't just a motorcycle; it was kind of like a part of his life, the memories, you know, all the good memories from riding it, and also some. I guess there was like helmet and glove and jacket and probably boots. I remember that he bought new Dynasty boots and he had them like once, and it also got caught in a fire, so he lost pretty much the whole content of the garage. So on behalf of my friends and also kind of like this motorcycle community, I'd like to ask you for a favor, if it's possible to support my friend KingJulienMoto. For sure, go to his channel and check out the content. It's he has kind of like individual, not the individual, but the special sense of humor. So you will like the content for sure. And down below, I will put the link into the description, and you can go to fund him on the page. You can support him financially to get him at least some new helmet, some new gloves, and some stuff to make him able to ride again. And I'm trying my best also to find some solutions, and this is one of the ways. How can I support him? How can I show the support, and how can I show the empathy, and also show the motorcycle community that we can stick together and we can help each other out. So for sure, go to the Instagram, go to the YouTube, go to the GoFundMe website page, and I'll be really grateful for every help from every one of you. And for sure, we'll see you this motorcycle season. So I'll see you on the track, I'll see you on the road, and I'll see you on some trips, I guess. So have a good one. See you next time.